In this video, I'll guide you through how to set working hours in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have a clear way for yourself and others to see when you're available, which is especially helpful if you schedule a lot of meetings or want to protect your focus time during the day. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one for work and personal life. Once the page loads, you'll see your main calendar view with the days and times laid out. Next, look for the Create button, usually near the top left of the screen. Go ahead and click on Create. This is the button you normally use to add anything new to your calendar, like events, tasks, or reminders. When the small menu appears, click on Event. This tells Google Calendar that you want to set up a standard calendar event, something that shows as a block of time on your schedule. In this case, we're going to use that event to represent your working hours. In the event window that opens, you'll see a field at the top where you can give the event a title. Click there and type working hours. Giving it a clear, consistent name makes it easy to recognize at a glance and find later if you want to adjust it. Now, choose the time range that represents your working hours. Click on the start time and end time and set them to match your typical workday. For example, you might choose 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. or whatever makes sense for your schedule. Make sure the date is correct as well. If these working hours are the same every day, you can also look for the option in the event window to make it repeat, such as every weekday, so you don't have to recreate it over and over. You can also select which day or days count as your working days. Use the date controls to pick the specific day you're setting this for. If your working days are different throughout the week, you can set up a separate working hours event for each pattern. For example, you might have one schedule for Monday to Thursday and a shorter day on Friday. Adjust those times and dates accordingly so your calendar accurately reflects when you're available. Once everything looks right, click Save. This will add the working hours event to your calendar. You should now see a clear block on your schedule that shows when you're working. Anyone who has access to view your calendar will see that time marked, which helps reduce confusion and unplanned meetings outside your availability. That's all you need to set your working hours using an event in Google Calendar. You can always come back, click on the working hours event, and edit or delete it if your schedule changes.